Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all doing fine. I am Soham and I am back with a new video, and this time it is going to be about a new gadget that I have added into my collection, and I am quite excited about revealing the gadget because this gadget has been on my list from a long time. Right now I have it in my possession and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Let's bring in the gadget because it's been waiting to show itself. So this is the all new GoPro Hero 10 Black, and this has been my new purchase. This has been on my list from a very long time, and I wanted to buy a GoPro when I was in college first year. I remember that, and my friend had bought a GoPro Hero 6, and I saw that the quality of GoPro in natural light is very good, plus the field of view that the GoPro gives is like amazing. Ultra wide view, super wide view, and this GoPro Hero, that was GoPro Hero 6 by the way, and this is GoPro Hero 10. It has some amazing features which can bring in raw effects that you want to show in your videos, and you can do cinematics from this. I can't wait to use it. I haven't used it till now, but I have just bought it and I have just set it up. I have unboxed it obviously because I have to see whether the product is alright. So I had to unbox it, but what I will do is I'll open the product again. This product, I have bought it for a special use because right now I don't have a proper camera. I use my phone to shoot, but I'll get a camera soon. Stay tuned for that because the camera that I'm going to buy is something else and it's not out in the market yet. I'm just waiting for it to arrive, and I want it to arrive soon, but it's not coming. What can I do? So I have to wait till then. So in place of that, I have just bought this GoPro to get me along this trip. So let's not wait around and open this baby up and see what are the features that the GoPro Hero 10 Black provides. It says it has a 23MP camera sensor. It can shoot 5.3K up to 60 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second and 2.7K up to 240 frames per second. So you can imagine what amount of insane slow motion that this camera can shoot in. So now we can live stream from GoPro Hero 10. Nice. So let's get on with the unboxing and see what the features are installed here, and I'll try to explain what the features are because I don't know what all the features are yet because I haven't explored it yet, but I'll tell you in a gist what all the features are about, and I hope that it'll help you. So let's get on with it.
So let's now open the Hero 10 Black. This is the case for GoPro Hero 10 Black, and yes, they now provide a case too, which is very good because you can keep the GoPro and the accessories inside the box. The GoPro Hero 9 and 8 don't think so they give a box, but the Hero 10 Black now has a case which is very useful for storing the accessories and the camera. And when you open the camera, the box is like this. The GoPro main camera is there, the charging cable is there, the mount is there, the helmet mount is there, and the screw is also there. And this is the main camera. Let's open the camera now. So you can see that I have the protective glass already sticked upon the LCD screen, the front, the back, and the lens guard too. It's very essential that you put this on for the safety of the camera. So this is the Hero 10 Black. This is the branding beside the Hero 10 Black, and there is the battery port. So this is the slot where you can attach the various accessories and screw them upon the accessories. So they are like enclosed in the body of the camera, which happened from Hero 8, Hero 9, and yeah, that's it.
So we saw what upgrades that the GoPro Hero 10 Black has, and well, it's amazing, but it also lags in quite a few areas. So after a few months of usage, I will upload a new video reviewing this GoPro Hero 10 Black, and in that video I'll give you the depth analysis of what the things are good in GoPro and what are the things that needs to improve from Hero 10. GoPro is a device which needs accessories to go along with it, like the mounts it has. It already has the mounts that it's in the box, but that's not enough. You need to buy other mounts such as the shorty, the floaty, the chest mount, the head mount, the grip mount, and there are a lot of mounts I can't name, but I have ordered one set of mounts and I have not received it yet, but I'll give the review in the description down below, so you can check the mount box from there. It has around 40 mounts for GoPros and other action cameras inside it. I haven't received it yet. When I do, I'll give a review on my Instagram handle, so you can check the review from there. Apart from that, the GoPro needs a very good microchip card. So one of the things that I forgot to mention, or I'm mentioning now, is that the pricing of GoPro Hero 10 Black. So I bought it from Kolkata's Metro Gully, which is famous for camera equipments, and I buy almost all of my gears from there. I got it there at a very reasonable rate because I saw the price on the net. It was 52,000 approx, but in Metro Gully I got it for a very reasonable price for around 40,000, including the GoPro, the card that I bought, that is the SanDisk 128GB 160 Mbps writing speed card. And also, when you buy the GoPro, you also have to think about its safety. So you have to put the screen protection guards and the lens protection guard that is available in the store, costs around $250. And apart from that, it has been a great purchase for me and I can't wait to explore it. So GoPro has been one of the things that I have always wanted to include in my gear setup, and I have it now and I'll use it to its maximum capacity and then see what happens. Until then, all you can do is, if you have watched this video till the end, please do give it a like. So comment down a yes if you already have a GoPro, and do mention which version is it, and if you are happy with it or you are thinking of upgrading to the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Also do share this video and help me reach out to more people and help my channel grow. I'll be back with another amazing video soon. That video will be of the trip. Until then, let's wrap it up here and I'll see you in the next video.